Hi, I'm Michael Josh, and you're watching Gadget Match. We're here at the Lenovo booth at CES 2019 to take a look at a new class of device, the smart clock. Do we really need one, and what can it do? This is our Lenovo Smart Clock First Look. So this is the Lenovo Smart Clock, a new kind of alarm clock. It's a cross between a Google Home Mini and a Lenovo Smart Display. It's got a virtual assistant built in, speakers for playing music, and a tiny 4-inch display. This device is made specifically for the bedroom, meant to sit on your nightstand. It comes in this soft fabric finish, volume buttons up top, and on its backside, a full-sized USB port for charging your phone while you sleep. And for added privacy, a mute switch for the microphone, and no front camera. Instead, these dots up front are microphones, so it can hear your voice commands using the magic phrase, "Okay Google." From the home screen, you can swipe to see your alarms, weather, time to work, and your calendar. There are a variety of clock faces to match your tastes, and of course, what's a clock if it doesn't do alarms well? The folks from Lenovo and Google say they are working on making the technology even smarter so that it can better predict when to set your alarm. It will even suggest when it's best to set that alarm. Like any device with Google Assistant, you can do things like connect to your Nest Cam, check on your kids while sleeping. And you can set routines for when you wake up and go to sleep. Just say the magic phrase, "Okay Google, good night." Lights off, alarm on, sleepy time music plays. And as time to wake up draws near, gentle wake up will brighten the display gradually to mimic the sunrise. Lenovo says when the product ships in spring, you'll be able to single tap to snooze and double tap to turn off your alarm. Or say,
"Hey Google, snooze for 10 minutes.
10 more minutes then."
The smart clock will retail for just under $80 and will be available this spring. And that was our Lenovo Smart Clock First Look. For more videos from CES 2019, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media for all the fun stuff, and as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, from here in Las Vegas, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.